Engine 35, rescue extrication, 2624, Northwest 85 Street.
Engine 35, responding 2624, Northwest 85 Street.
We have a report of a two-car MVI. One's on the side with a person trapped in it. Rescue 1.
Rescue 1, okay. 35 is that. Confirmed two-car MVI. One is on its side investigating. E85 command.
Engine 35 at 85 Street command.
All incoming units from 85 command. We can confirm one patient trapped inside. Appears to be minor injuries.
Okay, command, you do have one person trapped. Would you like a rescue extrication SOG in effect?
That's affirmative.
Ladder 8 is at. Only rescue.
Command, Engine 35, Bravo. Patients reporting no injuries. Nothing trapped. Command, okay.
294 is out. I'll be assuming 85 Street command.
294 is now 85 Street command. Do you have a transport corridor?
That's affirmative. We're going to use Northwest 85 Street.
Okay.
Dispatch from 85 command. We'll have engine 18 doing patient care. Ladder 8 will be extrication and group leader. Rescue 1 from 85 Street command.
Rescue 1.
Don't know your location, but your best access would be to come up 32nd Avenue and across 85th. We have one patient trapped in a car. We're cutting it now. Gonna flap the roof. Patient is not complaining of injuries.
Rescue 1, okay.
96 will be rescue group supervisor. They'll have ladder 8, engine 35, engine 18. Engine 35 has laid a precautionary pre-connect. We don't see any fuel on the ground.
Command from rescue group. Patients extricated.
Command okay, dispatch. 85 Street command. Patient is extricated.
Time now.
Rescue 1, you can continue in code yellow.
Rescue 1, we're code yellow.